Welcome. If you're a Discord user who likes to keep up with your favorite streamers, you'll want to make sure you never miss the start of a new stream, especially when using Discord Web on your PC. With the latest update, Discord has made it easier than ever to get notified right away. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable notification sounds for when a stream starts, so you're always in the loop. First, open Discord in your web browser. Whether you prefer Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser, just head over to discord.com and log into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon. That's your user settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up a whole menu of options you can tweak to personalize your Discord experience. In this menu, you'll see several tabs on the left side. We're interested in the one labeled Notifications. Click on that tab to reveal all the notification settings available to you. Now, scroll down until you see the section called Sounds. Here, you'll find a bunch of options related to audio alerts for different actions. What we want is the setting for Stream Started. This is the notification that will play a sound whenever someone you follow starts streaming. By default, this might be turned off, so make sure to enable it by clicking the toggle or checkbox next to Stream Started. Once you've turned that on, you're all set. From now on, whenever a streamer you follow hits the Go Live button, you'll hear a notification sound, even if you're browsing other tabs or working on something else. This is super handy if you want to catch streams as soon as they begin, without having to constantly check Discord. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've customized your notifications to keep you informed and ready for every stream. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.